Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about Math.cos. So cos is a method which is a part of math object. So what we're gonna do is create a math function which is function, and we will use get, and what we're gonna do is use circle and x. Get circle x, pass a bunch of parameters called radians, usual stuff, and radius. So when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is return Math.cos and cos of radians. So a reminder though, what it does is return the cosine of a specified angle, and which must be a specified radian. So the value will be like length of adjacent by length of hypertenuse, like here, like that. And what we're gonna do is enter radius. So when we do that, when we're done with that, we're gonna log it on our console, use the function get circle x and 1,2, I mean 1,10. Expected output is 5.40 something, 5.4030. Yeah. Now I will print another get circle x and paste 2,10 minus 4. So hope you understand, and that's it for today's video guys. See you in the next tutorial.